Hi everyone, welcome back for a new video. Today I'm going to show you a wall decor made from polymer clay. Firstly, I took some ocean theme palette colors. These are bluish green shades, white and ecru colored. Next, arrange the bluish green and white clay blocks together side by side. Flatten it a bit with a roller. Pull the clay so that it will further elongate and become thinner. Use a pasta machine to flatten it further into a thin long sheet. Fold the clay sheet halfway and again insert it into pasta machine vertically to flatten it. Repeat the same steps until you see a visible blend. Only in the first I used a thin setting, later I used a medium thick setting. Once the blend is visible, run it on the thin setting. Now roll the clay from the darker side to make a new log. Roll it somewhat. Then stretch it, so it will become thinner and longer. Cut the logs and arrange them together to make a new cane. Your cane should be like a round cane. You don't need to make a perfect cane in this technique. Slice the cane. Stretch each piece so that you can control the pattern. I aim to make a pattern similar to shiny ocean ripples. Take a thin base clay and arrange each cane piece. Cover the gaps with small cane pieces. Flatten it. Now the water part was done. Coming to sand, take the ecru colored clay, shape it in a curvy way. Texture it with a sponge or sandpaper. Arrange it on the base. To give some height, I arranged it with folds. Smoothen the cut edge and texture it again. Now to make shells. For the first kind, I took a small round. Shape it with your fingers as shown. Texture it like lines. Now for coloring, I'm using soft pastels in various shades. I used violet and yellow for this shell. To shape the shell like a dome, use a round ball tool as shown. For the next one, I stretched a cone shape to make it longer, and then I twisted it and folded it like a coil. I used a dark blue, magenta soft pastels to color it. Shape it further and give some more details. Now for the starfish, I took a sponge textured sheet and used a star cutter. Painted it with soft pastels, red and yellow. Stretch the starfish arms to make it look more natural. Make some pebbles. I colored them with grey and black. Use some clay glue like Sculpey Bacon Bond, then arrange the sculpted pieces. I made different sizes of each kind, so it will be more realistic. Cut the slab according to your wish. I wanted an organic shape, so I just used a precision knife. If you want a specific shape, first cut the slab and then arrange the pieces. I added one more starfish just to fill the space. Add hole details with the needle. Added glue on the edge to let the rope of clay stick to it. Use a clay extruder for making such long ropes. You can bake this piece at this point. After baking, seal it with a matte or gloss varnish based on your preference. I love the matte finish on this, but it is wall decor, so a little shine will be nice. So I'm using mica powders. I used the same colors as soft pastels. On the sand, I used light pearl gold. Bake the piece according to clay brand instructions. This was baked and then sealed with gloss varnish. I hope you like this ocean themed art piece. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more polymer clay videos. See you in the next one.